Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from Paysafe to bank account. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake. And also hit the subscribe button because it really helps me out. So to get started with the guide, the first thing to do is to create or log into your Paysafe account. So for this, after that, you have to verify your identity, which is to upload your ID and complete any required check to unlock all field features. Then after that, you have to link your bank account. So go to the withdraw or bank account section, then enter your bank account details and it must be in your name. Then after that, you have to select the amount you want to transfer, then confirm the withdrawal. Then after that, you have to wait for processing. So money usually arrives between 1 to 3 days, business working days, just for the waiting process. Then here's the key parameters that you must verify your account to unlock bank withdrawal, only available in supported countries, and your bank account must match your Paysafe account name. And once that is confirmed, then you have no problem with bank withdrawal. And that's how to withdraw money or how to send money from Paysafe to bank account. If you find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.